Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will tell you all about how to add games in Batocera Linux, but also about how you can add any machine to the homepage. So without wasting any time, let's move towards the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. First, we need to download the game we want to install in Batocera. So, you might know that console games which run on emulators have ROMs, meaning they don't have .exe files. So, to download the game's ROM file, I will open the browser and search for ROMs Fun. In the search results, the first website will be ROMs Fun. I'll open it, and here you will find almost all games for every console, like Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox, and many more. So, I will search here for Tekken Tag, and the first game I get is Tekken Tag Tournament 2 for PS3. I'll open it and download it. I have already downloaded this game and extracted it. Now we will need one more file, and that is the PS3 Update File. So, I will open the browser again and search for PS3 Update File. The first website will be PlayStation's. I'll open it, and here you will see all versions listed. If you expand reinstall using a computer below, you will also get the Download PS3 Update option, and from here we will download the update file. After the download is complete, we will copy this .pup file. Then, connect your USB. If I check the properties of the USB, you can see it is in NTFS format because Batocera easily detects and mounts drives in this format. So, I will open it and paste the update file. Now, I will copy the game folder I downloaded, but before that, I will rename it and add .ps3 at the end of the name so the emulator can detect this game folder. After renaming, I will also copy it to the USB drive. Once both things are copied, I will restart the system. In the boot menu, I will choose Batocera, which I have already installed. If you also want to install Batocera on your system, you will find the tutorial link in the description. After Batocera boots, if I show you all the machines on the main page, you won't see PS3 here because it hasn't been added yet. So, I will press F1 and open the Explorer. First, I will plug in my USB, and it will automatically mount because it is NTFS based. I will open it from here and copy the game folder. Then, from the side menu, I will go to ROMs and paste it into the PS3 folder. This will take some time. After copying is complete, I will go back to the USB and copy the update file from here. Then, simply paste it into the BIOS folder. Now I will go to Applications and open RPCS3. I will go to the File tab and select the Install Firmware option. From here, I will choose the update file placed in BIOS and install it. After installation, this emulator will compile and update to the latest version. Now, I will add the Tekken game in it, which I pasted in ROMs. For that, I will go to the File tab again and choose the Add Game option. Then, I will open the PS3 folder from ROMs and select that Tekken game folder. As soon as I select it, the game will be added. But I won't open it from here, I will open it from the home page. So, I will close all this, unmount the USB as well, and come to the home page. Now if I check here, I still won't see the PS3 collection. So, I will go to the menu, press the spacebar, and then go to Game Settings and select Update Games List. After the update is complete, I will return to the home screen. Now, here I will see the PS3 machine, and inside it, I will find my game. So, this is how you can add any game to Batocera and also bring machines to the home screen. In the next video, I will tell you how you can customize your Windows installer and add or delete any software. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.